If every day feels like a draining cycle where you just get home from work, school, and you feel like you can do nothing but just scroll on your phone and just wait for the next day to happen to you instead of making life happen, here's how I've been able to change those feelings and emotions with just a few skills. So I don't want you to miss out on this because you can learn these right now. The first thing you can do to start feeling like this is to have more confidence. Now, I don't want this to mean just try to talk to more people or, put your chest up when you walk around, but more practical things where it requires a decision for you to make. If you have the confidence to make the best decision that is right for you, even if it isn't the most popular, even if everyone else is doing something different, even though you might be looked kind of weird at, doing that best decision that will be best for you, that is how you can have confidence and use that skill to have an unfair advantage. You'll improve and progress so much faster because you're doing what is best for you, not what is best for me or someone else, but for you. Have the confidence to believe that what you are doing is the right things for yourself when you are in times of adversity, when you are doing your own thing. The more you can control your mind for it to work for you, you will get so much more done and achieve so much more. I honestly feel like this is one of the reasons why I've been able to do everything that I have been able to be done. Whatever, you get the point. Because I've just been able to take advantage of when I've been alone at home and I don't know what to do. Instead of just scrolling on my phone, I'm trying to make a video. I'm growing my channel. I'm in the gym. I'm going to sports practice. I had to make a decision recently whether to sacrifice some of the time I spend with my friends, which I have been spending a lot recently, or sacrificing the time I get to spend at home, and in turn getting more physically strong, mentally strong, disciplining myself. And that's through practicing wrestling. I just started wrestling practice, and just the few first practices, I've already felt so tired, sore. If you wrestle or do anything like it, you get the point. It's just been able to push me in ways I've really haven't been that pushed in before. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna actually stick to it, but after the first day I realized this is the best thing for me right now. I'm gonna sacrifice time spending with my friends or just hanging out or talking to other people, whatever it can be. I'm gonna sacrifice some of my time where I can have fun to being serious and challenging myself. The more I challenge myself, the better I'm gonna be. Another skill that has severely impacted my life and my ability to perform is having a high attention span. Having moments like that where I can just pause and still be focused, still listen. You can cut out all the noise that is behind you, away from you, and focus on one thing. Not only does this cut out the distractions that you have, but it also allows you to put more focus and attention and get more done per hour compared to the average Joe. So the average Joe puts in 1 hour of work, they get this much done. You put in 1 hour of work, you get that much done. A bigger difference. Also a big one, replacing the time you spend on screens with other things. Can literally be working out, playing chess. I love chess. Going to the gym, listening to music, playing music. That's a big one. Creating things instead of consuming. Think about how you can do that more in your life. But the hardest part about all of this is having a connection. Similar people who think the same way as we do who want to do the same things as we do, but it's so hard to surround yourself with people who truly think like that, which is why I created the Screen Time Challenge, a challenge where we can all lower our screen times, replace that with other things, as a result improving way faster and getting held accountable to genuinely achieve our goals and make substantial progress. This can be the next plan of action you can take. It's in the first link in the description. When you go on that website, there'll be more information about what's inside of there. I just want to briefly mention it here. Additionally, I have a free like-minded community with over 5,000 people. So if you want some surface level ideas on what you can do and someone to talk to, definitely join that community as well. But I highly consider the Screen Time Challenge as a way to be invested into something to finally see change. But I hope you can think about this video. Maybe in the free community, you can 1v1 me in chess. You can talk to a friend. You can get some more ideas on what you can do besides just waste time on your phone and genuinely adapt an unfair advantage and play with the cards you're dealt with. So, see you later. Peace.